Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Etsy ads and affiliate integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Etsy ads and affiliate integrations, start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Next, find the Etsy Ads section in the Settings menu. Click on Etsy Ads to access the advertising options. You will be prompted to set up your Etsy Ads account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information, such as your payment method and budget. Once your Etsy Ads account is active, go back to your account settings. Look for the Integrations or API section to begin the process for affiliate integrations. If you are using a specific affiliate platform, ensure it is compatible with Etsy. Sign in to your chosen affiliate platform in a separate tab or window. Locate the section that allows you to connect new accounts or integrations. You may need to generate an API key from your Etsy account. Return to your Etsy account settings and find the API or developer section. Create a new API key by following the prompts. Copy your newly generated API key. Head back to your affiliate platform and paste the API key in the appropriate field. Click on the Connect or Authenticate button to finalize the integration. After successfully connecting, you will receive a confirmation message on your affiliate platform. Finally, test the integration by checking if your listings are properly displaying on the affiliate site. This ensures everything is working as intended, and you can start utilizing Etsy ads and affiliate marketing to enhance your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.